your economics teacher. Today I am going to start the first chapter that deals with development. What is development? Development refers improvement or betterment. It can be in terms of monetary income or quality of life. Thus, it is classified as economic development and social development. When there is increase in monetary income, it refers economic development, and the main components are banking, transportation and communication. Transportation, how transportation supports the process of development. It helps the producer to get raw materials from point of origin to the factories and finished product from the factories to the market. So it helps the producer to generate income by producing goods. Secondly, banking. It creates credit and which turn as investment to increase production of goods and services. Communication also helps or supports to expand market. So many examples are there. The second is social development. It includes all those infrastructure which improves the quality of life of a society. For example, education. Education increases knowledge and opens new horizon in life. It helps people to generate more income. Second is health. Health also improves the quality of life, and training, it improves efficiency and skills of human being. So these are the components which supports the process of development of an economy. Uh, there are different aspects of development. The first is that for development goals are made. What is goal? Goals are the target which is fixed by a person to improve or to bring betterment in his or her life. Goals have following features. The feature number one is goal. Different person can have different goals of life. As we know that the life situation of different person is different, that's why the goal of life is also different. For example, farmer who who is engaged in producing crops uh, makes his goal to get good prices for his crop. At the same time, a rickshaw puller who lives in urban area wants to get more passenger to increase in income. Although the ultimate aim is to increase income, but the way to increase income is quite different, and it is because of the difference in life situation of each person. The second feature of goal is goal can be mixed. Means for development, a person can make more than one goal. For example, a job seeker makes more than one goal. Like he wants to get a good job opportunity plus good salary, good working environment. Distance from house must be less, or job security. So these are the goals which are made by a job seeker. It proves that the goal can be mixed. Another feature of the goal is development goal for one may not be development goal for other. For example, if a dam is constructed, it can be a development for those people who get who get cheap electricity or good scenery or job in construction site, but it cannot be development for those people who are removed from their place or who lost their livelihood. For example, fishermen can lose their livelihood because of the construction of dam. So it cannot be development for these people. That's all for the day. Thank you.